Welcome back. Welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a theme or a skin, some of you might say. Well, the first thing is not really that difficult. I'm serious, it's not really that difficult. So away we go. The first thing you want to do is open up your internet browser and go to DeviantArt. I will give you a link in the description below. Yeah, down here. Now, when you go to DeviantArt, it's gonna bring you to these pages, these pictures. But the first thing you want to do is click customization, first thing, then skins and themes. Then we scroll to the middle and want to click Windows Utilities. Now you don't see much. I know, kill me. But we want to type in air, no, glow air. Yeah, that's it. And this is the one that I have right now. But almost. I mean, personalization. So you won't see the background, but guess what? I changed it because I love this van. It's like the perfect thing. Anyway, moving on. To get this thing, then you have to click download on the right hand corner, and you'll see it pops up. And I'm gonna download it for you just to show. Okay, now that it's finished, if you have WinRAR, then it will come out like this. What you want to do is drag the folder, and if that's why I love Windows 7, because I can just move the mouse right over here and minimize everything. Okay, now that we have the folder, we want to do one more thing before we install that theme. So the next step you want to do is go to Google and type in Windows 7 Theme Patcher. What this will do is unlock the settings in Windows 7 to, to allow other themes to show on the computer. You go to download Universal Theme Patcher 1.5 and you wait 10 seconds. It won't kill you. Okay, here we go. Now, Universal Patcher, you want to download that as well. And do the same thing you did with the first folder. Okay, now that we have those, we can now close these. Here we go. Now, you want to start off with Universal Patcher. And again, if whatever operating system that you're working on would be determine the patcher that you use. We have one for 86-bit and one for 64-bit. The 86-bit is the same as 32-bit. It's just that the people just call it 86-bit because maybe they're saying it's too small or something. But if you have a 64-bit system, you also click on that. If you have a 64-bit and you double click the 86-bit, it will run, but you won't be able to patch the other one for the 64-bit. You only can patch 2. And as you see, I've already patched them already because I already installed it. And there you go. There's the tree, the other one. This is for the 64-bit. So what you want to do is if you have a 64-bit, install the 64-bit to unpatch them, and install the 86-bit as well. And then you restart your computer. Okay, so we're back. Now, the first thing we're gonna do as a restart, your computer boots up. Sorry, mosquito. Is click on the file. Now we have 4 files here, but we're going to use 3 out of it. Another thing, I forgot to explain that there is a patch in the link. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, for those of you who have a 64-bit system that is the 64 bit has more performance, and it can hold more memory than the 32-bit system. How do you know if you have a 32-bit or 60 or a 64-bit system? Is that you click on the start button, right click on the computer, properties, and there you go, you see the system type. I have a 64-bit system, as you can see here. Yeah. Okay. Now, okay, just click on system file 64, and you have three more files in here. Explorer is going to be for this, for customizing this. The Explorer frame will be this, and the shell will be, the whole thing. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is open a new Windows, and we're going to install the Explorer first. Now you go into C drive, Windows, and then scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Explorer. This will be on Windows XP, as I have seen. It will be named the same thing, Explorer, in the same location. Now, the first thing again you want to do is that you can't just copy and expect it to just paste in here, because the computer is using it right now. It don't want to remove it. It don't want to remove it just like that, and you have to take ownership of it. Because although you're in the administrator account, it will not delete or remove. So I'll show you a little trick. Go to properties. That is right clicking on the file, right, properties, go to system, then you click your user, and you click advanced. Now we're gonna go to owner, edit, and we click the account we want to have the full control to. You click apply, and see that if you have taken ownership of this object, you will need to close and reopen this object properties before you can view or change permission. Okay, 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 okay. Now you should be successfully recopy to the location. I'm sure that will work. I don't think that clicking right here and click edit and to give you full control of the system will do any further. Anyways, that's one file down. Now we go back one. Oh, no, sorry. We go Windows, and then the next file we're gonna look for is system wow. In system wow, we're gonna look for Explorer. Frame. Okay, we have found the frame, and it's the same procedure as the Explorer. You cannot right click and then paste. You cannot right click and paste it. So you have to take ownership, just as I showed you with the first step. And the same thing applies to the shell. 32.dll. And once you do that for those files, you successfully install a new theme. But I know you're saying, what am I talking about? My computer is still the same. It hasn't changed. Okay, we're gonna add one more thing to it, the theme. Now you're gonna open another window, go back to the C drive, go to Windows, and look for resources, themes, and here we have all the system themes. What you want to do is to go into themes and copy these two files into this directory. Once you copy them, you can go to personalization, and you will see the theme up there, which is, it should be this one. So the last step is to now we need to change this thing. How you do it? Now the simple way I use is to press Ctrl Alt and Delete, and it brings me right here and at the start task manager. Or you can right click on the panel here and start test manager right here. The next thing is that we're going to look for Explorer. Now Explorer could mean this Explorer here, but it's not. This Explorer is for the little panel down here. What I want to do is right click it and click end process. Do not end process tree, because if you end process tree, it's gonna close everything on the desktop except the background picture. So end process tree and end process. You wanna exit this too. Now that it's everything is gone except the rocket dock down here. Control Alt Delete. Start manager, and you go into files, new task, and you're going to look for the location that I have the browse, computer, Windows, Explorer, open. Okay. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your theme. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the other videos. Thank you.